Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Mario Takes a Walk by Jesse Cook. Alright, so you've got an E minor, you got a C major, you got A minor, and then back to that E minor. Alright, and so you're going to do that E way up here, so you have this one open. You're not really going to use that string, but just in case you accidentally hit it, there it is. You're going to be plucking with your pointer finger and your middle finger on the G and the B string, and then bouncing with your thumb on the A string, so it sounds like this. And then take your middle finger off while plucking the G and the B still. Put it back on, back off. And then you're going to slide into this chord. Now you're bouncing off with your thumb on the D string, and your pointer finger is going to be used over here, so it goes. And then pluck the D and the G at the same time. Now you have this. Got right here, and right here. Got the open A. And then go to right here. And then back up, but this time use your pointer finger to go back up, because you're going to want your middle finger to go on the D string right here, while your pointer finger's still there, so it kind of rings out, so it sounds like this. Yes. Get used to trying to do the whole chords, just in case you accidentally hit, an extra string. The whole chords are quite beautiful. What I mean by whole chord is just bar right here while you're doing the chords, and you pretty much can't go wrong. Beautiful little tune. Good luck. Good luck.